Today, we're confident, and we don't care what they say about us. So we're gonna step this way. We're a little baby caterpillar, and we're going to turn into a beautiful butterfly. So shed your cocoon this way. Shed your cocoon. Slide to the front. Fly down. Spread your butterfly wings. Take it back and no. One more. Stop. Slide front. And scoop. Take it back. Say no. One more time. Stop. Beginning. You were killed tragically. You've been reincarnated as a moth. It's not ideal, but that's the hand we were dealt. Flick it hard. Push it off. Brush off your mothballs. Brush it off. Slide it front now. One more, then stop. Fly. Brush, dig. Say no. Oh. Take it down. Now I need you to spread your ugly ass wings. Your stupid moth wings. One more time. Spread them. Yes. Walk the runway like a beautiful butterfly. Even though you're not. Spin around. Flutter back. Step, clap. We don't care. Slide to the front now. One more. I forgot that part. Now just step, clap, and stomp it out, baby. Doing me regardless. Life's too short to not buy a mesh tee, so go to activebooty.com and grab yourself one. If you want to watch the official video, click right here, and if you want to do a 60 and 30-minute sweat sessions, click them right here. Join the Booty Army. We do them every single week, and we also have a playlist on Spotify called Workout by The Fitness Marshall for all your tunes and grooves.